everyone, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Thursday, April the 6th, and tonight we are breaking Hit Parade autographed basketball jerseys. This here is a 2-box break from Series 9. It is box 62 of 100 and box 54 of 100. We did random team sales. You can see just to my left right there. We have already randomized teams and customers, then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them a whole bunch of time to trade. Had a bunch of offers, but nothing happening. So here we go. Pop. We got rip bits from the roster. Well, somebody was calling a Clarkson. Yeah, that's a freak me out. No, it is a Lakers jersey, folks, but there is a Jerry West. It's gonna be a custom, and old Tommy Laker there, folks. That is going to be a Jerry West. So, who has the Lakers? Dre, you got pretty good luck. Yeah, you hate to say, yeah, you got good luck in these the basketball breaks. It's pretty good in them basketball breaks. Here we go, folks, on to box 54. All right. Lots of slack, but sealed break that bit it. Oh, wow, you gotta be kidding me. Wow, guys. That is a Scott, man. It is a double hit, folks. Byron Scott is going to be the hit. Once again, a Lakers jersey, folks. That is nuts, man. Yeah, again, guys, you saw one was box, what was it? 62, the other was 54, guys. Yep, sorry, I can't do anything about that. Wow, a back-to-back hit for Mr. Dre, man. I told you, he's got some damn luck in these things, man. Yep, when it comes to NBA, he has good luck. All right, folks, you all have a good one. Join us 7 nights a week. See if you could try your luck, hit something like that. Hit back-to-back jerseys in that break. Have a good one.